Hi there. So I just wanted to show you the difference between something done with a gel pen over time and something done with acrylic paints over time. So this one is with gel pen and it has completely faded, and it's not even been like a couple of months. So this is totally faded. I would not recommend using gel pens for your artworks. On the other hand, see how bright that one is? This is done with acrylic paints. So yeah, that's the best way to go if you're doing artworks, especially very intricate and elaborate ones. Use acrylic paints over gel pens or markers. The gel pens and markers fade. Here is a comparison.